Hello again, eager young minds on Conference Championship NFL Sunday. Did you miss the party on GameStop this week? If you did, the question on my mind, and which should be on everyone's mind, is who will be the next Cabana boy over the pool deck? Bed Bath & Beyond jumps out at me. I picked up an article over the weekend from Zero Hedge where they list the 10 stocks with the highest short interest of the float, sans GameStop. And Bed Bath & Beyond makes that top 10 list of mega shorts. 69.9% of the BBBY float is held short at the moment. So let me get my crayons out here so we can play a little bit. Why this one? Why am I so interested in this one? I'm looking at 52-week highs. Sorry about the doodle. I'm looking at brand new 52-week highs on Bed Bath & Beyond. They're probably 2-year highs, actually, maybe even 3-year highs at this point. Look at this enormous volume that came in Friday on BBY and a dramatic surge in money stream. And when you consider that 69.9% short interest, it seems to me like a recipe for them to come in and squeeze this one like a zit. So let's try to do some diatonic calculations on when they come to squeeze, where they might squeeze it to. And I want to set up my price octave for now to be that low from December 31st down at $17.61. And we'll anchor the top of the octave to Friday's high, 31.45. So let's set up our diatonic calculator, our Python-based diatonic calculator, and let's take that low from the 31st of December, 1761, to Friday's high, 31.45. Wish I could type. And here we go. We've got a price octave of $13.84. We're already at the top of the octave up here at 31.45. Where might we be going in the next few days, or definitely this week? First resistance from here in the next coming days I see at 33.16, a positive shock area at 34.89, and then ultimately on a swing trade going into Friday, I'd be looking for $36.04 on BBBY. If there's a pullback of any sorts, would not be surprising before it starts to launch higher. You got good support at $29.72, definite support down at $26.84 on Bed Bath & Beyond. And there you have it, guys. Very, very strong Maribozu bullish candles. Really, that's been happening since the 12th of January. Increasing volume, in fact, highest volume now for the last year, and money stream looks like it's about to take off. Just a right rocket. I am King Cambo. 69.9% short interest. Smoke them if you got them. And that's how I roll on Bed Bath & Beyond.